Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add the trip to your account on the Aeromexico application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Then click on the My Trips button down below, which is the second option indicated with this suitcase, and then click on the Add Trip button down below in order to add this trip that you have already booked on this app. So first of all, you can type in your confirmation code or ticket number into the first bar. So tap on it and then type in the confirmation code. And then you should type in your last name. Tap on OK in the middle of the screen on the right side, and after typing in these two data, click on the Add Trip button down below, and if you have typed in the relevant code and number, you will be able to add this reservation to this My Trip section so that you will be able to keep track of it. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.